Hi children, at home, mom and dad need lot of helpers, people who help us to make our life comfortable. You wake up in the morning and the water pipe breaks and no water comes in. Who do you call for? Plumber. Yes, plumber has to come and fix the tap or fix the pipe so that there is water flow. Yes, how do you spell plumber? Plumber, plumber. Yes, plumber is our helper. Helps, helps us to see that water connection is not broken. Yes, Plumber, plumber. Let's write. P L U M B E R, plumbers. They fix our pipe and our tap and we feel very happy. Yes, so plumber is our mummies and dad helper at home. Let's write P capital. P L U M B E R, plumber. Yes. Now, you love to go out and eat. Yes. And in the big restaurant, who is there looking after all the item that comes on your table? What do you call that person? You call him a chef. Yes. The chef plans the menu and when you order, you get it at your table. Yes, spell chef, C-H-E-F, chef. Curd, C-H-E-F, chef. Would you like to be a chef? Is your mommy a good chef? Yes, let's write the C capital. C H E F, chef. Good. Chef is your helper. Mommy is too tired. She's too busy. Then dad says, come, let's go out and have a dinner or lunch. And the chef helps you at the restaurant, planning the menu, and you choose and you enjoy yourself. Now, after eaten nicely, you tell mommy, my tooth is paining. I have a bad toothache. Who helps you to make you feel better? Your pain is so bad. Who is your helper? Dentist. When you have a bad toothache, who helps you to make you feel better and you can eat again? Dentist. Would you like to be a dentist? Yes. Now spell dentist. D-E-N-T-I-S-T. Dentist. Let's try. D A N T I S, dentist. Helps us to relieve the pain of your tooth. Okay, and if you have a hole, we close up the cavity and make you feel comfortable. Let's write the D capital. D E N T I S T, dentist. So our dentist helps us to feel good. Next, your birthday comes along and you tell mommy, mommy, can you bake me a strawberry cake? Your mommy is a good baker. She knows how to make. Then mommy says, yes, I know to bake, I can, but I'm a little busy. Let's go to the baker. Ask him to make a lovely strawberry cake for your birthday. So who helps you on your birthday? At the bakery, there is a baker. Spell baker. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. He bakes bread, cake, whatever you like. Let's write B A K E R. Baker. Bake bread and bun and cake and biscuits, anything you like. Let's write the B capital. B A K E R. Baker. Now, the four helpers. Here you have your four helpers. They help us in our life to keep first plumber. 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 He fixes the tap, the pipe at home. And see that there's water for you all the time. Chef. Chef plans the menu, different delicious dishes, and when you go to the hotel to eat, you enjoy your food. Who's the helper? Chef. C-H-E-F, chef. You have bad toothache. You have holes in your teeth. And who helps you to make you feel better, take away the pain? Dentist. T-E-N-T-I-S. Dr. Dentist helps you to keep your teeth properly so that you can eat again. Then, birthday time, you go to a baker. B-A-K-E-R, baker. Ask him to bake you the type of cake, the flavor, and the shape. You say you want a strawberry cake and you want it in a heart form, whatever. So all these are for your helpers. Let's take another set of helpers. Yes, your big brother says, my little brother needs a haircut. Look at his hair, it's grown too long. I must make him look smart. Where do they go together? They go to a barber shop to have a lovely haircut. Yes, then you look smart. Spell barber, B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. Barber helps us and gives us a good haircut. Let's write B A R B E R. So the barber gives your little brother a lovely haircut and make him look smart. Let's write the B capital. B A R B E R. Barber. Next, who gives you food on your table? Who grows vegetables, fruit, cereal? Who is that person? He works in the field, lovely green field. Yes, who is that? Farmer. Farmer grows vegetables, farmer grows fruits, farmer grows grain. And it's nice to go to a village and see large stretches of green all over. Yes, farmer. Farmer helps you. You love to eat fruits, vegetables. Yes, whatever comes at your dining table. Whose work is that? Who is the helper? Farmer. Spell F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Curd. F-A-R-M. Farmer. Farmer is a helper. Let's write the F capital. F A R M E R. Farmer. Farmer grows vegetables, fruits, cereals, flowers, and whatnot. Now, morning you go out into the street and you can see men and women with the long broom cleaning the street. What do you call them? Sweeper. They keep the streets and roads clean. At school, you might have found, again, sweepers keeping the campus clean. Sweeper, spell Sweeper, sweeper. Third, let's write Sweeper, sweeper. They clean the place and make it neat and look good. Let's write S capital S W Eeper, sweeper. Now you fall sick. You get wet in the rain, you go in the sun, you get sick, and the mama, I'm not feeling well. You get fever. Who helps you? Doctor. So you go to a doctor and say, Doctor, I'm not feeling well. And the doctor checks you and gives you medicine. Spell doctor, Doctor, doctor. Would you like to be a doctor? Yes, D-O. C-T-O-R. Doctor. There are different types of doctors. Yes, the doctor who treats your bone, you treat your full body, doctor who treats your eyes, doctors are there to treat your ears, and so on. All parts of the body, different types of doctors are there. Doctors help you to get better. Yes, let's write the D capital. D. O. C. T. O. R. Doctor. So here we have another 4 setup. Helpers. First, barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber, who gives you a nice, neat haircut. Farmer, who grows fruits and vegetables, flowers and grain and everything. They work hard in the sun so that you get good things to eat. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Sweeper. S-W-E-E-P-E-R. Sweeper. Keep the streets and roads, your homes and your school, your campus clean. Finally, when you fall ill, who helps you to get better? Doctor. You can see a doctor, bring him to your house, go to a clinic, or go to a large hospital. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor.